This is the Monstera Laniata Mint that I bought, and it's been doing pretty well, but it's on this acrylic stake and it's outgrown it here, and it's in this self-watering setup here. It looks like a tree fern, and then it's got some sort of a rock bottom. So I'm not sure what I need to do with this, but it's definitely time to do something. I cut off a couple of the browning tips, but I'm kind of thinking I want to take a cutting here and try and root it and see if we can start over with a little bit more mature leaves and a little less leggy. But I'm nervous, always nervous to chop a plant, but I think we're gonna do it. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna. Let's see, is there a growing eye? Or should I try my hand at air layering it? Well, it's already outgrown this stem, so why not just cut it back some? I'm gonna just do it. Okay, so I'll take off these bottom two leaves. I'll let it callus overnight, and then I'll try and set this top cutting in some water and see if I can't get it to grow some roots. And then maybe once it has secondary roots, then I can put it into soil and then put it onto a moss pole, so that way the leaves will size up. We'll see. But I love this plant. It's so beautiful. Such beautiful variegation.